I'm Bill Keith. I'm the president of SunRise Solar, and about 15 years ago I was crawling around in a hot attic trying to install an electric attic fan. And what an attic fan does is it pulls hot air out of your attic. It makes the home cool more efficiently and actually helps you in the winter as well by having that hole there. It allows heat and moisture to escape and keeps your roof fresh. So it's 140 degrees in this hot attic. I got insulation stuck to my skin, and I thought there's got to be a better way than hooking this thing up to electric. I spent a few years researching, how do you do this with solar? And I found some products that were out there, but they were just substandard. They weren't invented with an installation-friendly design. So I designed the SunRise solar-powered attic fan and made it in my garage, and basically took it to engineers and did a lot of research in order to find out how to take it to market. And 13 years later, we're selling it all over the world now. But what it does is it's got a built-in solar panel. It looks like a traditional electric type attic fan, but the solar panel actually runs the motor, and then that motor spins a fan blade and it sucks hot air out of the attic. They're very easy to install. I would say the average homeowner would have a hard time doing it if you're not handy, but anybody in the trades, anyone that knows what they're doing, can easily put one in. And what we're going to do today is we're going to install this fan with a tilting panel, and the panel the front of this house faces west, and we don't want to put the fan on the front of the roof, but we want that solar panel to be as exposed to the sun as possible. So I'm going to mount the fan on the east side of the roof, and we're going to tilt the solar panel toward the south so that it gets the most sunlight all day long and runs the fan the fastest that it can run. What that's going to do is that from the time the sun comes up in the morning, the fan's going to start spinning, it's going to pull air through that attic space, and it's going to keep it from overheating. And I kind of liken it to like boiling a pot of water. Like if you take a cold pan of water and you put a fire to it and you get it boiling, you can start trickling cool water. It'll never cool off because you've gotten behind the curve on it. Same kind of an idea with an attic. If you let an attic heat up to 140 degrees and then you expect just normal little passive vents to ventilate enough air, it just doesn't work. But if you start out with power in the morning, it's kind of like taking that same pot of water, turn the fire up full blast, but then have a gentle stream of cold going in it all the time, it'll never boil. So it's kind of the same effect. If you keep an airflow through your attic all day long, it'll keep it from overheating. Keeping the attic cool keeps the inside temperature cool, especially if you have bedrooms in the second floor. So that's what we're doing today, and the whole process should take less than a half hour to install. If you'd like more information on the SunRise solar-powered attic fan, you can contact us. The best way is through our web, which is sunrisesolar.net, or you can call 219-558-2211.